You know how some days you feel so incredibly confident, you find it so easy to strike conversation with people, you feel like it's natural to, publicly talk about your work, you feel like the best, most evolved social butterfly. It's most likely that this is one of the days where you are near or during your ovulation phase. Hi, I'm Marianne Clotes. I have an MSc in entrepreneurship and I help service-based business owners build a business that works with their energy, not against it. And today I want to share with you how to make the most of your ovulation phase in your business. So the energy, the flavor of your ovulatory phase is very specific, and it's really a time where you are designed to be social, to be relational. It's a time where biologically you are supposed to go out of the cave and meet people and potentially, help in continuing the human species. So your hormones are literally pushing you to be social and make connections and feel really like confident and even sexy and social with different people. It's a time where your energy is really more like outward, like different phases of your cycle. As this is a series, so you can go and check the previous one that I've done before. But this is really the time of your cycle where you're meant to be magnetic. So while your productivity is dropping from the previous week, which is a follicular week, where you're like kind of down to business, this is really where you feel like you really want to connect with people. You want to start conversation, you want to maybe have meeting and coffee with people. It's just a time where you feel like you really need the social connection. You can feel this desire to be seen, to connect, to just be visible in general. And it's really not about like effort and pushing yourself. It's really more about being yourself, feeling confident, and sharing who you are with the world. So what to do in your business during ovulation? One of the great things you can do is something like this: record videos and go live, because naturally you're going to be more confident and magnetic and your energy is going to attract many more people. It's also a great time to share your offer publicly. So especially if you've watched a previous video talking about the follicular phase, where you focus on designing or refining one offer and creating pieces of content, this would be then the following week where you start really sharing your offer loud and clear with your audience and new people. That also includes having sales conversation with people, reaching out to people who you might want to have a collab with or a partnership, or offer to guest teach in the program, or also playing it very RL, and go to networking events. I know that obviously I'm an online business woman, and most of my clients are as well, but there is nothing like going to have a real cup of coffee or whatever you drink with real people, which means you get dressed. I went to one this morning. So you get dressed, maybe you put some makeup on, and you just go out into the world and remember how to be a real person, having real work conversation with kind of colleagues. It does do a lot for the soul, so don't dismiss it. And also during your ovulation, you're going to be, as I've said, way more confident and way more sociable. It's going to be easy to talk about your work. It's going to be easy to strike conversation with strangers. It's going to be easy to put yourself forward if somebody's looking for someone like for the business. It's really your time to shine. And if you'd like an extra energetic boost during this period or at other times of your cycle when you don't feel quite that good, I suggest you check out my magnetic activation, which is a 2-in-1 hypnosis and magnetic activation audio. So you can connect energetically with the people who are supposed to become your clients or your collaborators, and you can really attract opportunities to you. I'll put the link in the description below. This space really works best when you've laid the groundwork in the weeks before. So you really move from follicular to ovulation, from getting down to business and working and taking action, like a doing energy, to a being energy of you've done kind of a week of work, maybe 5 days, and now you're in a phase where you just want things to be lighter. Usually that's the energy that comes from me in my ovulation time. I just want to have fun. I just want to see people. I just want to meet up with my friends. And it's ideal when you can mix business and pleasure and basically be social with people in real life, or on networking on Zoom or whatever, and still move your business forward. And of course, this shouldn't come as a pressure to perform and to, deliver an act, it should really come from the energy of like, this is me, this is what I'm doing, and letting your natural energy and excitement for the work you're doing and the people you're helping and the ones you're meant to help into the world. It's just basically be you and make the most of this magnetic energy. It's also easier to feel grounded and confident in your work when you know how to introduce yourself and your business in a way that resonates with your clients. Because it's very well and good to receive all of this, oh, you're so inspiring comments and DMs, but it doesn't pay the bill. So if you'd like to be able to both retain your natural energy while speaking the words that will make your clients actually book your services, I invite you to check out my workshop called Messaging Magic, where I walk you through all of this. All in all, the energy of your ovulation is very fleeting. That's the shortest time of your cycle. So really make sure to harness it. And I invite you to watch the next video to learn about how your PMS symptoms can also be used to optimize your business in your luteal phase.